you hear that sound over there, that means you found kotta roti, right? That one over there. It's the #1 sought after meal here. He almost feels like he's playing a tune.
It's now day 8 of our trip to Sri Lanka and finally made it to Nuwara Eliya from Ella. There's so much to do here and was ready for the experience, especially this. We were really excited to learn that we would be staying at what was once a real tea factory built back in the 1930s. Nuwara Eliya is located in Sri Lanka's central province, and most people here are Tamils of Indian origin.
Vanakkam. Yeah, okay. Wow, nice. What's that?
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane. All right. So you just eat. Do we bite? Yeah. Thank you very much.
It's such an amazing feeling seeing that they've preserved so much of its original charm. The exterior was left virtually untouched. They only redid the inside of the factory. I'm not gonna lie, the transformation we see inside today from factory to hotel is mind-blowing. Take this for example. It's their original oil-fired engine, fully restored, and it still works. Guys, check out this unique dinner setup. Alright, here is where the entertainment at Heritance Tea Factory begins. So if you guys didn't know yet, the hotel has its own 25-acre tea plantation. And off they go. Thankfully, today we have Madam Jayanti teaching us the right techniques of tea plucking. You surely have to try this. It's not really hard. Just see how we do it.
Beautiful pictures, I guess.
Okay.
यार तो ठीक है दे दे.
All I know, it may be all falling off the basket. My new job.
Tea plucking.
The weather was perfect, but after 20 minutes, I had to call it quits.
And that's all what I collected for not nearly half an hour, but I think a good 20 minutes.
After a long day out, dinner was something we were really looking forward to. For starters, there is the Canberra restaurant, which has a great buffet spread if that's what you're looking for. Outdoors is really cold during this time, so being indoors would be a great idea. Our rooms were fairly spacious for us, so no complaints there. Now, on to our much awaited dining on a train experience.
All aboard, please.
Yes, thank you.
Back in the early days, tea was transported on narrow gauge railroad tracks. So, being in one such carriage and being served a 6-course meal is truly what we call a once in a lifetime experience. On the TCK 6685, you get the whole package. Excellent food, entertainment, humor, and most of all, a truly unforgettable night out.
Oh, the train.
On the train. Oh, I see. So you never let go of the menu. Yeah. Cute.
I was thinking what was the dream moving up and down.
Why is it?
Oh yeah. Thank you.
That's
Thank you.
We have 4 different starter choices. You can choose one. Then we have 3 different soup. The demi entree, 2 options.
Listen,
Then sorbet, they have a 2 option. Main course, we have 6 options. Then 6 dessert. So when you're ready the menu, please tell me. I'll stop the engine. Personally, our chef come and take your order.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Minority was felt by the planting community administration report. First and foremost, I place light railways as the works of most importance in this district, especially in the planting districts. He had in mind that a light railway should be extended from Nanu-Oya to Kandapola via Nuwara Eliya.
I'm the executive chef. I can take your order.
Yes.
Starting from you,
Yes.
All right.
Oh,
But you can speak Sinhala.
I'll have ingredients.
Smoked salmon,
Yes, 1. Carrot
carrot and orange soup,
Yes. And grilled prawn.
prawns with tomato.
Yes. And
What about sorbet, lime or pineapple? No,
No.
sorbet. Okay.
grilled salmon.
Grilled salmon,
And green tea tiramisu.
tiramisu.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes. And
Grilled prawn.
With tomato.
Yes.
Then lime or pineapple
Lime and orange.
with tomato.
Pineapple
Session with brandy, coffee cream.
So Australian beef, is it brought from Australia?
Yes.
I'll have that.
Australian beef. Medium rare or well done, ma'am.
Well done.
Well done. Thank you.
And baked cheesecake.
Baked cheesecake. Thank you very much. Yes.
And the stops at Brookside and Rwanda now converted into shops. A similar line built in 1879 is seen in the foothills of the Himalayas, and at last reporting is that
Right? Okay. That's such a good idea. So that is.
Thank you for making our dinner really a memorable one. Thank you so much. Right.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye.